Hey, bananas. Hi, bananas.
Like, even like I said, I was over there.
What's up, bananas? Hey, bananas. Hey.
Time to get some shots going. Shot o'clock.
Ooh.
Shall I hold it?
Yeah.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
Hey, Jabba Mama.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
Hi, Jabba Mama.
Hi,
Wow, what is it?
What is it?
What is that thing?
What'd it say, Mom? What'd the baby say? What did Mom? What did Mom say? What did Ma'am say? Say, I'm 6 months. Right now, right? Yeah. 9-9. I'm 6 months.
Wow.
Oh, wow. That's your ma'am. That's your big baby. What did it say, Mom? Say, I'm Asani, and I'm 6 months. And that's my mom. Her name's your boo-boo.
Uh-oh, there you go.
Bless you. You never doing that.
Yes, I do. Why is you paying? I'm not.
Can I take constructive criticism?
What you criticizing? Ain't nothing constructive about that.
All that fucking rubbing. It's not even on anymore. You want some sandwiches?
Fine. Classy pink and white.
I can see that. I bet niggas was looking at you like. Cheers.
That wasn't even right. I'm going, nope, you can leave it because I'm a zone this in. I have a vision. Nico.
What you say? Your sister's got a TV? Do Jazz or Paris got a TV?
Paris live in a hotel.
Don't get my bonnet. Don't get my bonnet.
I ain't get it.
Hey, Wiggle man. Hey, Wiggle boy. Oh, yes, Wiggle son. Hi, Wiggly. Hi, Wiggly fat. Say hello to the people, Wiggly man. Good boy. Hi, son. How you doing? Oh, yeah. Yes, son. How you doing? How you doing? Hi, son. Yeah, boy. Give me that. Wow. Big old boy. Yeah, big old boy. So I just left my dentist appointment, and what was supposed to be a 30-minute procedure turned into 2 hours. Why? Because they were late. They were running 30 minutes behind. No, I'm gonna say they were running an hour and a half behind. My appointment was at 11:30. No, my appointment was at 11 o'clock. They did not call me back to the chair until 11:31. So the dental assistant is doing my intake form. She's taking my x-rays, and then she's just talking my head off. Like, at this point, I'm irritated because we're already 30 minutes behind. I'm already ready to go. I should literally be finishing up at this time that you guys are just calling me back. But whatever. I'm back there now. So I figure we're going to get on with it, and I'm going to be out of there at least before 12, right? Wrong. She does my intake. She puts, the little bib on me, and then she walks away. She's gone for, nobody comes back there for another hour, I want to say. I sat there for another hour. The doctor comes back after an hour. She apologizes for the inconvenience. I'm annoyed. Don't even talk to me, because I got shit to do. I'm ready to go. It literally took them no more than 30 minutes to clean my teeth. I got back in my car at 1 o'clock. They didn't come and see me until maybe it was 12:40, because I was about to get ready to just walk out and say, y'all, I'm about to reschedule. And you know what? I'm not even going to reschedule. I'm never coming back to this establishment. And it hurts my heart to say, because this is a black-owned dentist. I specifically wanted to go to a black-owned dentist. The doctor's a black woman. The staff are black women. And it just makes me sad, because mostly every time I go there, they're always at least 30 minutes behind schedule. The people are nice. The facility is very clean. I can't take being 30 minutes to an hour behind on my appointments. That's just unacceptable. And I hate that I have to find another dentist. Not to mention, y'all know I don't really live in Detroit for real anymore. So I guess it doesn't matter anyway. But still, I gotta find another place to go. So anyways, mouth is clean, because I don't play that. Dental hygiene comes first for me. Back to the B-rolls. She wouldn't care.
I'm a celebrity. Your people might not want to know your side boo. Somebody tried to turn. Somebody tried to turn.
Oh, that's cute. They got it. See,
It
told
is.
you.
That caught my
It
eye.
happens when you party naked. Naked. Shit. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Legalize.
They on to some shit in here.
Okay. Yeah.